Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the color AI grading color match with AI feature in CapCut. So all you have to do is open the CapCut on your PC. This is CapCut PC version, and prepare your project you want to edit here. As you can see, I do have two projects that I want to combine here, and I want to edit the color grading by AI or color match by AI that's provided in this app. So let's start by tap on the adjustment. Click this adjustment. You can edit this first, the HSL, the color like thin, saturation, lightness here, and after that you can go to the basics and try to search this color match. So in this color match, as you can see, there is pro icon here. It means you have to join pro first to enjoy this feature. Let's try. Click on this color match here. This is the first video and this is the second video. You can select from video here. Okay, and as you can see, the color, the first video is matched with the second video here. And also you can adjust the intensity here. You can do it vice versa, second video with the first video. Here you have to adjust the intensity a little bit cooler or warmer here, because the second video is a bit cooler here with the temperature of the video here. If you're done, you can save as preset or apply to all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.